I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing Pywhatkit and importing just the functions you need. This minimizes namespace clutter. Once done, confirm Python 3. 7 or newer because features rely on modern Asyncio and WebDrivers. Make sure you have WhatsApp web logged into the browser you'll use. The sendwhatmsk function automates a tab, so being logged in prevents manual steps. Also test a simple non-blocking import to catch installation errors before proceeding to message or media functions. You will now run core commands. Schedule a message with sendwhatmsk by providing phone, message, and a future time. This spawns a browser tab and sends automatically. For quick media lookups, use Pywhatkit to open and play the first YouTube match. It's handy for demos. For text art or lightweight previews, image to ASCII art converts images to readable ASCII files. Make sure to wrap calls in try/except and add small sleeps if automating many successive web actions to avoid race conditions. To finish, integrate error handling and optional browser config. If automation fails, specify your browser executable path or change the system default. This resolves many tab launch problems. Once done, add short delays between steps time. Sleep 3-6, so web pages fully load before sending clicks or keystrokes. If you hit exceptions, read the console trace, update Pywhatkit and Selenium, and retry. One key tip: if WhatsApp layout changes, re-login and update dependent packages. That usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.